Welcome to CloudPub. In this video tutorial, we will explain bill marking process. Go to quick search, type bill marking and select. Bill marking screen helps to mark bills, that is sales or purchase, against receipts or payments or returns. You can use this screen to clear the outstanding bills which are shown in the aging analysis report with the payments received against those bills. In CloudPub, bill marking can be done while entering the receipt or journal voucher itself, or it can also be done using this screen. You can also use this screen to clear any markings. For example, if you have made a sales bill of 50,000 rupees and you have received rupees 20,000 as check, you can use the screen to mark both the records so that the outstanding bill report and the aging analysis report show rupees 30,000 as pending against this bill. Please select here to switch debit or credit entries. Please type here account name and select. For example, I have selected a customer here and I have created a sales invoice of rupees 50,000. I have also received a check of rupees 50,000 and have created a bank receipt for the same. So you can select debit entries and all sales invoices are shown in the grid. Please select the one which you want to mark. Now please select credit entries and bank receipts are shown in grid. If you want to mark this bank receipt with sales invoice, please select both records. Click on this Mark Now button. Please enter amount in Adjust Amount field. If you have not entered complete amount in that field, left amount is shown in Unadjust Amount field. After filling amount, please click on Mark Vouchers button. If you want to see earlier marked vouchers in the grid, please click on this Show Marked Vouchers checkbox. If you want to check vouchers in detail, which sales invoice or purchase invoice is marked with which voucher, please click on this arrow. Vouchers are expanded and shown in detail. If you want all records to be marked automatically, that is all invoices, returns, payments, receipts or journal voucher based on first in first out, then please click on this Run Auto FIFO button. After using this, all vouchers are automatically marked with bills. It works, for example, which transaction or bill is created first, that is marked, then the next will be marked. If you have marked vouchers mistakenly with wrong voucher and you want to delete that marking, please open that voucher and click on this Delete button. If you want to delete all markings of the vouchers, please click on this Delete Marking All button. All markings are deleted successfully. Warning: please be very careful before running Delete All marking. This process cannot be reversed. So if you use manual marking, and there are a lot of vouchers or bills which have been marked, please do not use this. This is generally only used when you use FIFO marking. Thank you for watching this video.